Yo, what's up, family? Today I'm gonna teach you how to use Photoshop in 2020 because I know a lot of you guys are doing events everywhere around the freaking world, and it's very important that you have professional flyers for your event because the way how you perceive your events, everyone else can perceive it. If you have very unprofessional flyers, guess what? People are not going to come. It's going to be a very unprofessional event. So you want to make sure everything you're doing in 2020 is very, very professional and you're stepping your game up from what it was like in 2019. So this video is not gonna be long. It's probably like 5 to 10 minutes at most, because that's all the time I got right now. But before I head to Europe for an entire month, but before I do that, I know I got some time right now to teach you guys how to make flyers coming into 2020, guys. So basically, you guys can buy Photoshop. It costs $20. You get a 7-day free trial with Photoshop. After that, it costs $20 a month. Guys, I used to spend about $100 a month on to get flyers made for me. Once I developed the skill set to make flyers for myself, I started saving money, and now I possess a skill set where I can charge people for flyers. But guess what? I'm not that type of person. I'm the type of person to give as much value as possible. So all that value will someday come back in return. But how do I make flyers? That's the point of this. So I'm not gonna be long. Let me delete this so I can basically do this from scratch for you guys. So this is how you do. Go on Photoshop. Look at this. You go Photoshop. Go on. Search up Photoshop in Safari like this. Boom. Look, search up Photoshop. Click here. 7-day free trial, and then it costs $20 a month, guys. $20 a month is not shit, especially when you can make $20 every single flyer you make. And with this skill set, you could probably make an extra $200 a month, $500 a month. Me personally, I have not charged anybody for any flyers. I just been making flyers for my team because that I got the skill set now. We don't have to pay anyone. We're fucking making it happen. So this is how you do it. Just buy Photoshop, $20 a month, 7-day free trial. Then you'll log into Photoshop. It'll be like this. You'll have a blank screen. So what am I gonna do? Obviously, I've already went and got my pictures that I'm gonna use. So I'm just gonna drag this picture right here from my desktop, and it's gonna come like this. Make it Photoshop is very simple. I basically learned off YouTube. I did not pay a dime to learn the skill set. I learned it all off YouTube University. If you don't know what that is, I don't have that much time, so you're gonna have to research it yourself. But basically, I'm just gonna, you guys can literally do exactly what I'm doing. You see what I'm saying? But boom, I got my first layer. Boom, then I'm gonna add a second layer. I'm just gonna keep adding layers to this thing. Let's put me on here this time. Boom, you see me right here? This is me. All right, boom, boom, boom. We're gonna crop me out. Super easy. Look how easy this is. Some of you guys say you don't have enough time to do this, guys. This is the easiest thing I've ever done. Okay, boom. All right, let's do this again. Super easy. Boom, you see that? How easy was that? It took me 10 seconds. Now we're gonna go over here, block. Boom, we're gonna erase all this nonsense. You see what I'm saying? Super easy. Boom, now you got me right here. You put me anywhere on the stage. Boom. What's that wanting? No, add my buddy to the stage too. Super easy. I'm just gonna get the pictures, put them in my desktop, and I'm gonna start adding them. So let's put another picture. Let's put my buddy Malcolm on here now. Let's get Malcolm in the flyer. Same thing. Boom. You gotta click that check mark in the top right corner, just like I did. Come over here. Call your object selection tool. You just select around Malcolm. How I'm gonna do it right here. I'm just gonna select exactly around him. It's gonna do the rest of the work for me. As you can see, this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna come down here. I'm gonna click this button. Boom. How easy was that? Now I got me and my boy Malcolm on the flyer. Obviously, it needs some little touch up right in this area, which I'm gonna go ahead and do. So we're gonna come over here. Boom, boom, boom. We're gonna easy. 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 Boom. Now we got me and Malcolm on the flyer. See this? Too easy. Okay, you see it has a little, you gotta make it professional, guys. So you see this right here? This was Malcolm took this airport. I mean, this picture in the airport. So you see it says D2 right here. And why is my eraser tool not deleting this for some reason? Anyway, guys, you guys see the point. It's very easy how to do this. So all I'm gonna do, hold up. You guys see this? Super easy. Boom, 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 boom. Here we got me and Malcolm. Boom. We go like this. I'm gonna click save. Boom, boom, boom. Now you guys can see my screen. I'm gonna paste it in here. Boom. There we got me and Malcolm on a flyer. How easy was that? Now you know. I'm gonna go to this thing. It's called Canva.com. This is how I'm gonna add everything to it. So boom, right here. I'm gonna go to this thing. It's called Canva.com. Let's go. Let's click templates. So we're gonna do. Let's click on poster. Perfect. Boom, boom, boom. Sure. Let's do this one. Why not? No, I don't like that one. All your designs. Let's do. I think I did this one. Can paste it in here. Yes, this is it. Perfect. So very simple. This is literally one of the easiest skills that I have picked up. Way easier than learning Forex, I'll tell you that much. But you know, once I picked up the skill, you know, it's unlimited income potential. So I'm gonna save this picture. Hold on, let me save this picture real quick. Save, boom, back to Canva. There we go. Boom, now it's me and Malcolm on the flyer. Boom, how easy was that? Say me and Malcolm want to do an event tomorrow. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna click text. We're gonna put up the text up here. Whatever you want, whatever your business is. So my business, we're gonna put this. Me and Malcolm's business. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna host an event tomorrow. How to trade like the banks. How to trade like the banks. Perfect. You know, you got to make it, you know, just do your thing. You know, you guys will figure this out throughout the way. I just want to bring it to your awareness how really easy this is to do, because you guys need to be doing this too. If you guys say you want to go Platinum 1000, Platinum 2000, Chairman 10, and your face isn't on a flyer, you're never going to go Chairman 10. How many flyers do you see JBL's face on? How many flyers do you see Riyad's face on? So many. So why is your face on no flyers? How many faces is Turbo Sosa Platinum 2000's flyer on? Fucking try to be on a flyer as much as possible, because I understand events multiply your business. If you're not doing events, you're not multiplying your business. So how to trade like the banks. Boom, boom, boom. Let's add another one. Whoa. Don't know what that is. Crazy. Delete that. Delete. Delete. Boom. You know, and you're just gonna add whatever you want. Let's say February 26th, 6 o'clock. Sorry guys, I'm not the smartest. You don't have to be the smartest person to make the most money. Boom, you know, you just gotta make it, you know, just do your thing, guys. You know, it's very unique. This is a very creative thing to do. There's no certain way how to do it. You know, just be as creative as possible. Use your higher faculties is what I'm trying to say. Boom, boom, there we go. You guys see how easy this is? It took me 10 seconds to make this flyer. Now me and Malcolm about to host an event tomorrow, along with my boy Colin. But you guys see how easy it is. Not hard at all to make the flyers. But that's all my time. Hope you guys got some value. A lot of people who watch these videos are not subscribed, or they don't like the video. So if you're watching this, make sure you subscribe, because there's a lot of good content coming out you don't want to miss. Make sure you like the video too, to show love, show support. Follow me on Instagram, Turbo Sosa. I'll see you guys all at the beaches in the banks around the world.